Share. Hello, there's 9 amino acids that we need every day. What are they and what foods do I need to eat? And how to do this when I know nothing about this subject? ChatGPT. The 9 essential amino acids are crucial for various functions in the body, such as building proteins, supporting muscle growth, and maintaining immune health. The body cannot produce them, so they must come from your diet. Here's a guide to understanding them and how to incorporate them into your meals. The 9 essential amino acids. Histidine. Function: supports growth, tissue repair, and the production of histamine for immune response. Sources: meat, fish, poultry, soy products, nuts, and seeds. Isoleucine. Function: energy production, muscle metabolism, and immune function. Sources: eggs, fish, cheese, soy, legumes, and seeds. Leucine. Function: muscle repair, energy regulation, and blood sugar control. Sources: chicken, fish, nuts, seeds, and beans. Lysine. Function: helps calcium absorption, collagen production, and immune support. Sources: red meat, dairy products, eggs, soy, quinoa, and beans. Methionine. Function: assists in metabolism and detoxification, precursor for antioxidants. Sources: eggs, fish, sesame seeds, Brazil nuts, and oats. Phenylalanine. Function: precursor for neurotransmitters like dopamine and adrenaline. Sources: eggs, chicken, soy products, dairy, and nuts. Threonine. Function: supports immune function, collagen production, and fat metabolism. Sources: cottage cheese, lentils, fish, and leafy greens. Tryptophan. Function: precursor for serotonin, mood regulation, and melatonin, sleep. Sources: turkey, chicken, dairy, oats, and nuts. Valine. Function: energy supply and muscle growth or repair. Sources: dairy, grains, mushrooms, peanuts, and soy. Tips to meet daily needs. You don't need to know every detail about amino acids to get them all. Focus on eating complete proteins or combining incomplete proteins. Complete protein sources. Contain all 9 essential amino acids. Examples: animal-based, eggs, meat, fish, poultry, dairy. Plant-based, quinoa, soy products, tofu, edamame, tempeh, buckwheat. Combine incomplete proteins. Plant-based proteins often lack 1 or more essential amino acids, but combining them makes a complete protein. Examples: rice plus beans, peanut butter plus whole grain bread, hummus plus pitter. Meal suggestions: breakfast: Greek yogurt with a handful of nuts and seeds, oatmeal topped with peanut butter and soy milk. Lunch: grilled chicken salad with quinoa and mixed vegetables, lentil soup with whole grain bread. Dinner: grilled salmon with steamed broccoli and brown rice, stir-fried tofu with vegetables and buckwheat noodles. Snacks: hard-boiled eggs, trail mix with dried fruit and mixed nuts. How to start if you're new to this. Step 1. Focus on diversity. Include different protein sources in your meals. Step 2. Explore plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and quinoa if you don't eat much meat. Step 3. Use online tools like MyFitnessPal to track your nutrient intake and ensure you're hitting your protein targets. Would you like meal plans or additional guidance on any of these? Yes, go into greater detail about all of this subject, please. ChatGPT, a comprehensive guide to the 9 essential amino acids and nutrition. Understanding amino acids and their dietary sources is essential for maintaining optimal health. This guide dives deeply into each amino acid, their specific functions, dietary sources, and how to integrate them into daily meals. 1. Histidine. Function. Produces histamine, essential for the immune system and digestion. Helps in the repair and growth of tissues. Plays a role in the maintenance of myelin sheaths that protect nerve cells. Food sources. Animal-based, beef, chicken, turkey, fish, and eggs. Plant-based, soy products, tofu, tempeh, nuts, especially peanuts, seeds, and whole grains. Tips for inclusion. Add roasted nuts or seeds to salads or oatmeal. Prepare stir-fries with tofu or tempeh. Choose whole grain bread or pasta. 2. Isoleucine. Function. Crucial for muscle metabolism and energy production. Promotes wound healing and immune function. Helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Food sources. Animal-based, chicken, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Plant-based, lentils, chickpeas, almonds, cashews, and quinoa. Tips for inclusion. Create a power-packed breakfast with eggs and whole grain toast. Snack on a trail mix with almonds, cashews, and dried fruit. Add lentils or quinoa to soups or salads. 3. Leucine. Function. Stimulates protein synthesis for muscle repair and growth. Regulates blood sugar by influencing insulin. Aids in the production of growth hormones. Food sources. Animal-based, lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy products like cheese. Plant-based, beans, soy, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Tips for inclusion. Make a hearty bean stew or chili for dinner. Add grated cheese to steamed vegetables or baked potatoes. Include grilled chicken or tofu in grain bowls. 4. Lysine. Function. Vital for calcium absorption and bone health. Aids in collagen formation for skin and connective tissues. Supports the immune system and wound healing. Food sources. Animal-based, red meat, poultry, fish, and dairy. Plant-based, quinoa, black beans, kidney beans, and lentils. Tips for inclusion. Prepare quinoa bowls with roasted vegetables and a protein source. Incorporate black beans into tacos or rice dishes. Enjoy yogurt topped with fruit and nuts for a snack. 5. Methionine. Function. Assists in metabolism and detoxification. Precursor for glutathione, a powerful antioxidant. Supports healthy skin, nails, and hair. Food sources. Animal-based, eggs, turkey, fish, and milk. Plant-based, Brazil nuts, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, and oats. Tips for inclusion. Use oats as a breakfast base and top with seeds and milk. Add turkey slices to whole grain sandwiches. Snack on a handful of Brazil nuts or sunflower seeds. 6. Phenylalanine. Function. Precursor for neurotransmitters like dopamine, norepinephrine, and adrenaline. Essential for brain function and mood regulation. Food sources. Animal-based, eggs, beef, pork, fish, and milk. Plant-based, soy products, lentils, almonds, and peanuts. Tips for inclusion. Make soy milk or almond milk smoothies with fruit. Prepare fish-based meals such as baked salmon or tuna salad. Enjoy peanut butter on whole grain crackers or bread. 7. Threonine. Function. Important for collagen and elastin production. Supports immune function and fat metabolism. Food sources. Animal-based, cottage cheese, turkey, fish, and eggs. Plant-based, lentils, spinach, kale, and mushrooms. Tips for inclusion. Make a cottage cheese and fruit parfait for breakfast. Add leafy greens like spinach or kale to smoothies, soups, or pasta. Include lentils in curries or side dishes. 8. Tryptophan. Function. Precursor for serotonin, mood regulator, and melatonin, sleep hormone. Supports immune response and nervous system function. Food sources. Animal-based, turkey, chicken, eggs, and milk. Plant-based, oats, nuts, seeds, and bananas. Tips for inclusion. Eat turkey or chicken breast as part of your main meal. Enjoy oatmeal topped with banana and nuts. Include seeds like chia or flax in smoothies or yogurt. 9. Valine. Function. Essential for muscle growth and repair. Supports mental focus and emotional calmness. Food sources. Animal-based, cheese, yogurt, eggs, and fish. Plant-based, peas, mushrooms, soybeans, and peanuts. Tips for inclusion. Stir-fry mushrooms and tofu with soy sauce and vegetables. Snack on edamame, boiled soybeans, or peanuts. Include Greek yogurt with fresh fruit as a snack. How to ensure daily intake of all essential amino acids. Focus on complete proteins. Animal products, meat, fish, eggs, dairy, naturally provide all 9 amino acids. Plant-based complete proteins include quinoa, soy, tofu, tempeh, edamame, and amaranth. Combine incomplete proteins. Pair different plant-based proteins to achieve a full amino acid profile. Examples. Rice plus beans. Whole wheat bread plus peanut butter. Hummus, chickpeas, plus pita bread. Incorporate a variety of foods. Eating diverse protein sources ensures you're covering all amino acids. Rotate between legumes, grains, nuts, seeds, and animal proteins, if applicable. Sample meal plan, balanced for all amino acids. Breakfast. Greek yogurt with a handful of almonds, sunflower seeds, and sliced bananas. Snack. Hard-boiled eggs with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Lunch. Grilled chicken quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables and tahini dressing. Or lentil soup with whole grain bread, vegetarian option. Snack. Edamame and a piece of fruit, like an apple or orange. Dinner. Baked salmon with steamed broccoli and wild rice. Or stir-fried tofu with buckwheat noodles and vegetables, vegetarian option. Dessert, optional. A small piece of dark chocolate or a smoothie with almond milk, oats, and frozen berries. By diversifying your food choices and balancing your meals, you can easily meet your essential amino acid needs. Let me know if you'd like recipes or further customization. Please go into the greatest detail on this subject, please. ChatGPT. In-depth guide to essential amino acids, functions, sources, and strategies for daily nutrition. To fully understand the role of the 9 essential amino acids in your diet, it's important to delve deeply into their biochemical functions, dietary sources, and practical applications. These amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, which are vital for virtually every physiological process in the body, from muscle repair to hormone synthesis. Why are essential amino acids important? Protein synthesis. They form proteins that build and repair tissues, including muscles, skin, hair, and organs. Metabolism. Serve as precursors for enzymes and metabolic pathways that regulate energy production, detoxification, and immune response. Hormone and neurotransmitter production. Aid in the synthesis of essential hormones like serotonin and adrenaline, and in signaling molecules for brain and body communication. Since the body cannot produce these amino acids, they must be obtained through food. Here is an extensive breakdown of each essential amino acid. 1. Histidine. Functions. Required for the growth and repair of tissues. Precursor for histamine, a neurotransmitter that regulates sleep, digestion, and immune responses. Critical for maintaining myelin, the protective sheath around nerve cells. Deficiency symptoms: fatigue, cognitive issues, weakened immune system. Dietary sources. Animal-based: beef, chicken, pork, fish, dairy products, milk, yogurt, cheese. Plant-based: quinoa, wheat germ, sunflower seeds, and legumes like lentils and chickpeas. Strategies for inclusion. Use quinoa as a base for grain bowls. Add sunflower seeds to smoothies or salads. Incorporate fish or lean meats into dinner options. 2. Isoleucine. Functions. Promotes muscle repair and regulates energy levels during physical activity. Important for hemoglobin production. Incorporate fish or lean meats into dinner options. 2. Isoleucine. Functions. Promotes muscle repair and regulates energy levels during physical activity. Important for hemoglobin production. Supports immune function by assisting in the production of white blood cells. Deficiency symptoms: muscle weakness, dizziness, fatigue, and immune suppression. Dietary sources. Animal-based: turkey, eggs, fish, and cheese. Plant-based: almonds, cashews, soy products, and peas. Strategies for inclusion. Prepare scrambled eggs or tofu for breakfast. Add roasted almonds or cashews to your snacks. Include green peas as a side dish with dinner. 3. Leucine. Functions. Plays a key role in protein synthesis and muscle repair. Regulates blood sugar levels by modulating insulin activity. Encourages the healing of wounds. Deficiency symptoms: poor muscle recovery, fatigue, and low endurance. Dietary sources. Animal-based: chicken, beef, tuna, and dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt. Plant-based: beans, lentils, soy products, and peanuts. Strategies for inclusion. Include grilled chicken or fish in your lunch. Prepare peanut butter sandwiches on whole grain bread for a balanced snack. Add beans or lentils to soups and stews. 4. Lysine. Functions. Vital for calcium absorption and bone health. Aids in collagen production, essential for healthy skin and connective tissues. Supports the immune system and helps produce enzymes and hormones. Deficiency symptoms: anxiety, fatigue, hair loss, and poor wound healing. Dietary sources. Animal-based, red meat, poultry, eggs, and fish. Plant-based, quinoa, amaranth, beans, black beans, kidney beans, and lentils. Strategies for inclusion. Prepare quinoa as a side dish or mix it with vegetables for a nutritious bowl. Use lentils in soups or make bean-based dips like hummus. Choose lean meats like chicken or turkey for protein. 5-methionine. Functions. Provides sulfur, a key component for healthy hair, skin, and nails. Precursor for glutathione, an antioxidant that helps detoxify the body. Plays a role in fat metabolism and liver function. Deficiency symptoms: fatigue, hair thinning, and weakened detoxification processes. Dietary sources. Animal-based, fish, poultry, eggs, and milk. Plant-based, sesame seeds, Brazil nuts, sunflower seeds, and oats. Strategies for inclusion. Add sesame seeds or sunflower seeds to salads. Enjoy oatmeal with milk or plant-based alternatives for breakfast. Include fish like salmon or cod in your main meals. 6. Phenylalanine. Functions. Precursor for neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine, essential for mood regulation and brain function. Important for producing melanin, the pigment for skin and hair. Deficiency symptoms: depression, memory problems, and decreased alertness. Dietary sources. Animal-based, eggs, fish, dairy, and poultry. Plant-based, soy products, lentils, almonds, and peanuts. Strategies for inclusion. Make almond milk smoothies with fruit. Grill chicken or bake fish for dinner. Incorporate lentils in stews or curries. 7. Threonine. Functions. Essential for the production of structural proteins like collagen and elastin. Supports fat metabolism in the liver. Strengthens the immune system by aiding antibody production. Deficiency symptoms: digestive issues, fatty liver, and weakened immune response. Dietary sources. Animal-based, cottage cheese, eggs, fish, and turkey. Plant-based, spinach, kale, mushrooms, and lentils. Strategies for inclusion. Make a cottage cheese and fruit parfait for breakfast. Add leafy greens to stir-fries, soups, or smoothies. Use mushrooms as a meat substitute in pasta or rice dishes. 8. Tryptophan. Functions. Precursor for serotonin, which regulates mood, and melatonin, which controls sleep cycles. Supports immune health and nervous system function. Deficiency symptoms: depression, insomnia, and increased anxiety. Dietary sources. Animal-based, turkey, chicken, eggs, and milk. Plant-based, oats, bananas, chia seeds, and almonds. Strategies for inclusion. Eat turkey sandwiches or chicken salads for lunch. Include oats in breakfast routines, topped with chia seeds and fruit. Use bananas as a pre-bedtime snack to promote better sleep. 9. Valine. Functions. Helps repair muscle tissue and provides energy. Assists in mental focus and stress management. Deficiency symptoms: poor muscle coordination, fatigue, and sleep disturbances. Dietary sources. Animal-based, cheese, fish, eggs, and dairy. Plant-based, peas, soybeans, mushrooms, and peanuts. Strategies for inclusion. Make soy-based stir-fries with vegetables. Snack on edamame or peanuts. Use cheese as a topping for baked dishes or salads. Planning your diet for optimal amino acid intake. 1. Incorporate complete proteins. Foods like meat, fish, eggs, dairy, quinoa, and soy provide all 9 amino acids. Example: a grilled salmon quinoa bowl with vegetables. 2. Combine incomplete proteins. Pair foods that complement each other's amino acid profiles. Rice plus beans, a classic combination in many cuisines. Peanut butter plus whole grain bread, a simple, complete protein snack. Hummus, chickpeas plus pita bread, a Mediterranean favorite. 3. Diversify your protein sources. Rotate between animal proteins, e.g., chicken, fish, and plant-based options, e.g., lentils, quinoa. Sample high-protein meal plan. Breakfast: Greek yogurt with almonds, chia seeds, and fresh fruit. Snack: a boiled egg and a handful of mixed nuts. Lunch: grilled chicken quinoa salad with spinach, kale, and a lemon vinaigrette. Snack: edamame or peanut butter on celery sticks. Dinner: baked salmon with wild rice and steamed broccoli. Dessert: a banana with a drizzle of almond butter. This approach ensures your body receives the essential amino acids necessary for health, strength, and vitality. Let me know if you'd like more recipes or advanced strategies tailored to specific dietary preferences. Is there anything more that we can learn about this subject, please? ChatGPT. Yes, there is a wealth of additional information about essential amino acids and their broader implications in health, nutrition, and even medicine. Here's a deeper dive into some advanced concepts, nuances, and research about amino acids. 1. The biochemistry of amino acids. Amino acids are organic compounds composed of an amino group, NH2, a carboxyl group, COOH, and a unique side chain that determines their properties. Essential amino acids are particularly fascinating due to their metabolic roles. Hydrophobicity. Amino acids like leucine, isoleucine, and valine are hydrophobic, meaning they prefer non-water environments, which is important in forming the structure of proteins. Enzymatic conversion. Many essential amino acids are precursors for critical metabolic pathways. For example, phenylalanine converts into tyrosine, which is a precursor for neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. Tryptophan converts into serotonin for mood regulation and melatonin for sleep cycles. Methionine serves as a source of methyl groups for methylation, a biochemical process essential for DNA repair and gene expression. Key learning. Understanding these biochemical pathways can help identify how deficiencies in amino acids contribute to diseases and how supplementation might aid treatment. 2. Amino acid requirements in different populations. The amount of essential amino acids required varies across age, activity level, and health conditions. Here are some specifics. Athletes. Increased need for branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs leucine, isoleucine, and valine are critical for muscle repair and growth after exercise. Muscle protein synthesis, MPS leucine is particularly potent in triggering MPS, which is vital for athletes looking to build or maintain muscle mass. Pregnant or lactating women. Lysine, methionine, and threonine are particularly important during pregnancy for fetal development and milk production. Elderly individuals. As we age, the body becomes less efficient at using amino acids. Higher leucine intake is recommended to combat age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia. Vegetarians and vegans. Plant-based diets can lack certain essential amino acids if not properly balanced. For example, Lysine is lower in grains but abundant in legumes, highlighting the importance of combining complementary proteins. Clinical implications. PKU, phenylketonuria, a genetic condition in which phenylalanine metabolism is impaired. People with PKU must restrict dietary phenylalanine and rely on supplementation with tyrosine. 3. Advanced sources of amino acids. While conventional food sources are the foundation of amino acid intake, several advanced methods and products exist to ensure sufficient consumption. Supplements. BCAA supplements, common among athletes to support recovery and reduce exercise fatigue. Essential amino acid blends, tailored supplements containing all 9 essential amino acids for individuals with increased needs or poor dietary intake. Fortified foods. Foods like cereals, plant-based milks, and protein bars are often fortified with amino acids like lysine or methionine to ensure balance. Fermented products. Soy sauce, miso, and tempeh. Fermentation enhances the bioavailability of amino acids, making them easier for the body to absorb. Future technologies. Synthetic amino acids and lab-grown meat products are being developed to address food security while providing complete protein profiles. 4. Amino acids in medical science. Amino acids have applications beyond nutrition. They are critical in medicine and biotechnology. Therapeutic uses. Cancer treatment. Glutamine, while not an essential amino acid, is often supplemented to prevent muscle wasting during cancer treatments. Conversely, some treatments attempt to limit glutamine uptake in tumors. Neurodegenerative diseases. Tryptophan-derived serotonin has implications for managing mood disorders like depression, while histidine-derived histamine is explored for its role in Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Wound healing. Arginine, conditionally essential during stress, and lysine are often supplemented to accelerate wound healing and recovery from surgery. Genetic disorders. Research into amino acid metabolism disorders, like maple syrup urine disease, MSUD, highlights the importance of managing essential amino acids for health. 5. Protein quality and digestibility. The Protein Digestibility Corrected Amino Acid Score, PDCAAS, ranks proteins based on their amino acid content and bioavailability. Perfect score, 1.0 foods like eggs, milk, whey protein, and soy protein isolate. Intermediate scores, grains like wheat and rice, tilde 0.5, 0.7. Enhancing lower scores, combining foods, e.g., rice and beans, can improve the amino acid profile of plant-based diets. Emerging metric. The Digestible Indispensable Amino Acid Score, DIAAS, is a newer, more accurate measure that accounts for amino acid digestibility in different sections of the gut. 6. Amino acids and gut health. The amino acids glutamine, threonine, and histidine are especially important for maintaining the integrity of the gut lining. Glutamine fuels intestinal cells and repairs the gut barrier. Threonine, a precursor for mucus production, which protects the gut from pathogens. Histidine helps regulate gut inflammation via histamine. Dietary strategies that enhance these amino acids may benefit individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, Crohn's disease, or leaky gut syndrome. 7. Controversies and trends. Several debates exist in the field of amino acid nutrition. Animal versus plant proteins. Animal proteins are complete, but raise concerns about environmental sustainability and potential links to chronic diseases when consumed excessively. Plant proteins, while lower in some essential amino acids, are linked to lower risks of heart disease and cancer when combined properly. High-protein diets. While effective for weight loss and muscle maintenance, excessive protein intake can strain the kidneys, particularly in individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions. Amino acid timing. Some research suggests that consuming leucine-rich foods or supplements immediately post-exercise can enhance muscle protein synthesis. 8. Personalized nutrition and genomics. Advances in nutrigenomics are revealing how genetic differences influence amino acid metabolism. Some individuals may have genetic variants that affect how well they metabolize certain amino acids, requiring tailored dietary approaches. Example: genetic differences in tryptophan metabolism may predispose individuals to mood disorders, suggesting a need for supplementation. 9. Cutting-edge research areas. Amino acids and longevity. Restricting methionine intake has been shown in animal studies to extend lifespan, possibly by reducing oxidative stress. Synthetic amino acids. Scientists are developing lab-made amino acids to supplement diets in regions with food insecurity. Environmental impacts. Research is exploring the sustainability of plant-based complete protein sources like lab-grown quinoa or algae. Conclusion. The subject of essential amino acids is vast, spanning biology, nutrition, medicine, and environmental science. Understanding their role not only enhances personal health, but also informs global discussions about food security and sustainability. If you'd like to explore specific areas, such as recipes, supplements, or medical applications, let me know. Could there be anything that we could have missed? Anything more information and greater detail about this subject, please? ChatGPT. Certainly. The topic of essential amino acids, EAAs, is rich and multifaceted, and while we've covered their functions, dietary sources, and their roles in health, there are still nuanced areas to explore. Below, I've expanded into advanced aspects, lesser discussed concepts, and broader applications that could add depth to our understanding. 1. Metabolic pathways of amino acids. Amino acids are more than just protein builders. They participate in a variety of metabolic pathways. Here are some advanced biochemical roles and pathways. Catabolism of amino acids. Deamination. Amino acids are broken down by removing the amino group, forming ammonia and carbon skeletons. These skeletons enter the Krebs cycle to produce energy. Transamination. The transfer of an amino group to another molecule, crucial for the synthesis of non-essential amino acids. Urea cycle. Ammonia, a byproduct of amino acid metabolism, is converted to urea in the liver and excreted via the kidneys. Disruptions in this cycle can lead to ammonia toxicity. Anabolism of specific compounds. Tryptophan converts into serotonin, melatonin, and nicotinamide 8,9 dinucleotide, NAD, a molecule essential for energy metabolism. Phenylalanine, precursor for dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine, as well as thyroid hormones. Methionine, through the methylation cycle, contributes to DNA synthesis, detoxification, and polyamine production for cell growth. Takeaway. Studying these pathways can help us understand genetic or metabolic disorders where amino acid metabolism is impaired, like phenylketonuria, PKU, or homocystinuria. 2. Amino acid absorption and bioavailability. How amino acids are absorbed and utilized in the body depends on several factors. Digestive process. Protein digestion starts in the stomach, where pepsin breaks proteins into peptids. The pancreas releases proteases, trypsin, chymotrypsin, in the small intestine, breaking them further into free amino acids and small peptids for absorption. Absorption mechanisms. Amino acids are absorbed via active transport systems in the gut lining. Some systems are specific to groups of amino acids, e.g., neutral, acidic, or basic amino acids. Factors affecting absorption. Anti-nutritional factors. Phytates, found in grains, and tannins, found in tea and coffee, can bind amino acids, reducing their bioavailability. Food processing. Fermentation increases amino acid availability by breaking down complex proteins. Overcooking can degrade certain amino acids, such as lysine. Competitive absorption. Amino acids with similar structures may compete for absorption pathways, e.g., leucine may inhibit valine uptake if consumed in excess. Improving bioavailability. Use cooking methods like soaking, sprouting, or fermenting for plant proteins. Pair plant proteins with vitamin C, e.g., lentils with lemon, to enhance absorption. 3. Non-essential amino acids and conditional needs. Although focus is often on essential amino acids, non-essential amino acids like glutamine, arginine, and cysteine become conditionally essential during stress, illness, or growth periods. Glutamine plays a pivotal role in intestinal health and immunity. It becomes essential during trauma or critical illness to repair damaged tissues. Source: bone broth, cabbage, and whey protein. Arginine, important for nitric oxide production, which regulates blood pressure and vascular health. Essential in children and during wound healing. Source: nuts, seeds, and meat. Cysteine, precursor for glutathione, the body's master antioxidant. Becomes essential in detoxification or oxidative stress scenarios. Source: eggs, garlic, and cruciferous vegetables. Takeaway. Understanding conditional amino acids highlights how dietary needs vary with life stages or medical conditions. 4. Role in immune function. Amino acids are vital for maintaining a robust immune system. They contribute to lymphocyte function. Glutamine and arginine fuel white blood cells, enhancing their ability to fight infections. Methionine supports the production of interleukins and cytokines, molecules involved in immune response. Gut-associated lymphoid tissue, GALT. Amino acids like glutamine and threonine strengthen gut mucosal barriers, reducing susceptibility to infections. Practical application. Supplementing glutamine or arginine in immunocompromised individuals or during recovery from illness can improve outcomes. 5 essential amino acids in exercise and recovery. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. Leucine, isoleucine, and valine are especially important for athletes. They reduce muscle protein breakdown during exercise. Speed up recovery post-exercise. Act as an energy source during prolonged activities. Muscle protein synthesis, MPS. Leucine acts as a switcher to activate MPS, which repairs and grows muscles. An ideal post-workout protein should contain at least 2 to 3 grams of leucine. Protein timing. Recent research suggests that spreading protein intake evenly across meals improves muscle retention better than loading it into 1 or 2 meals. Takeaway. For optimal athletic performance and recovery, balance BCAAs with overall protein intake. 6. Amino acids and mental health. The link between amino acids and brain health is profound. Neurotransmitter synthesis. Tryptophan, precursor to serotonin, often called the happiness hormone. Tyrosine, precursor to dopamine and norepinephrine, which regulate focus and stress response. Cognitive disorders. Imbalances in amino acids can exacerbate conditions like depression, anxiety, and ADHD. Supplementation with amino acids like tyrosine for stress or tryptophan for sleep and mood has shown promise. 7. Cutting-edge research. Methionine restriction and longevity. Animal studies suggest reducing methionine intake may increase lifespan by lowering oxidative stress and improving cellular repair mechanisms. Synthetic biology. Researchers are developing bioengineered proteins with optimized amino acid compositions for space travel, where traditional diets may not be feasible. Microbiome and amino acids. Gut bacteria influence amino acid availability by producing or degrading them. A diverse gut microbiome supports better absorption and utilization of amino acids. 8. Environmental and ethical considerations. Plant-based amino acids. While plant proteins are often incomplete, innovations like spirulina, algae protein, and lab-grown meats are bridging the gap. Sustainability. Producing animal proteins consumes more resources than plant proteins. Shifting toward plant-based complete proteins could reduce environmental impact. 9. Practical applications for specific goals. Weight loss. High-protein diets with an emphasis on amino acids can increase satiety and promote fat loss while preserving muscle mass. Foods, eggs, fish, and whey protein. Chronic disease management. Amino acid supplementation, e.g., arginine for heart disease or glutamine for IBS, can improve outcomes in chronic conditions. Aging. Older adults need more leucine to combat sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. Foods, dairy, soy, and supplements. Conclusion. The subject of essential amino acids spans nutrition, biochemistry, health, exercise science, and sustainability. The deeper you dive, the more interconnected these compounds reveal themselves to be, impacting every system in your body and many global challenges. Let me know if you'd like further exploration into any of these subtopics or practical tips. Can you expand on the subject in any way in greater detail, please? ChatGPT. Yes, there's always more to delve into regarding amino acids. Below, I've expanded even further into the subject, focusing on advanced biochemical concepts, their implications for health and disease, applications in biotechnology, and emerging trends in research. 1. Advanced biochemical roles of essential amino acids. While their primary role is to build proteins, essential amino acids, EAAs, participate in diverse biochemical processes. Signaling molecules. Leucine. Beyond muscle protein synthesis, leucine activates the mTOR, mammalian target of rapamycin, pathway, which regulates cellular growth, energy status, and metabolism. Methionine initiates the methylation cycle, contributing to epigenetic regulation by donating methyl groups to DNA and histones, influencing gene expression. Energy production. Ketogenic versus glucogenic amino acids. Ketogenic amino acids like leucine and lysine convert into keton bodies, which serve as alternative energy sources during fasting or low-carb diets. Glucogenic amino acids like valine and threonine convert into glucose through gluconeogenesis. Some amino acids, like isoleucine, are both glucogenic and ketogenic. Antioxidant defense. Methionine serves as a precursor to cysteine, which synthesizes glutathione, a critical intracellular antioxidant. Histidine contributes to carnosine production, a dipeptide with antioxidant properties that buffer acidity in muscles. 2. Essential amino acids and aging. Amino acids play a central role in aging due to their involvement in muscle maintenance, cellular repair, and metabolic health. Muscle loss, sarcopenia. Aging reduces the efficiency of muscle protein synthesis, MPS. Higher leucine intake compensates for this inefficiency. Studies suggest that older adults require 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal to stimulate MPS effectively. Longevity and methionine restriction. Research in mice has shown that reducing dietary methionine extends lifespan, potentially by reducing oxidative stress, enhancing autophagy, the process by which cells clear out damaged components, lowering levels of insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, which is associated with aging and cancer. Cognitive health. Amino acids like tryptophan and tyrosine are precursors to neurotransmitters involved in mood and cognition. For example, tryptophan. Serotonin synthesis affects mood, sleep, and appetite. Tyrosine. Dopamine synthesis influences focus and motivation. 3. Amino acids and the immune system. The immune system is highly reliant on amino acids, particularly during periods of infection or stress. Nitric oxide production. Arginine is a precursor to nitric oxide, NO, a signaling molecule critical for vasodilation, enhancing blood flow and oxygen delivery to tissues. Immune defense, regulating the activity of macrophages, immune cells that engulf pathogens. Amino acids in critical illness. During severe illnesses or injuries, amino acids like glutamine become conditionally essential. They support wound healing. Collagen synthesis depends on proline, which is derived from glutamine. Immune cell proliferation. Rapidly dividing immune cells require amino acids like serine and glycine for nucleotide synthesis. 4. Disease-specific implications. Amino acid metabolism can influence or be influenced by various diseases. Cancer. Tumors often rewire amino acid metabolism to support their rapid growth. Glutamine addiction. Many cancers rely heavily on glutamine for energy and biosynthesis. Methionine dependency. Some cancers require higher levels of methionine for DNA synthesis and cell division. Diabetes. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, are often elevated in people with insulin resistance. While the exact mechanism remains unclear, their accumulation may indicate altered amino acid metabolism in diabetes. Liver disease. The liver plays a central role in amino acid metabolism. In advanced liver disease, reduced synthesis of non-essential amino acids and impaired urea cycle function can lead to elevated blood ammonia levels, causing hepatic encephalopathy. 5. Nutritional strategies. Incorporating EAAs into the diet involves a combination of proper meal planning, knowledge of food sources, and understanding protein quality. Complementary proteins. Vegetarians and vegans can combine plant-based protein sources to ensure a complete amino acid profile. Examples: rice, low in lysine, high in methionine, plus lentils, high in lysine, low in methionine. Corn, low in lysine, plus beans, rich in lysine. Timing and distribution. Protein synthesis is maximized when protein intake is evenly distributed across meals. Example: if your daily protein goal is 90 grams, aim for 3 meals with 30 grams each. Hydrolyzed proteins. Predigested proteins, e.g., whey protein hydrolysates, are rapidly absorbed and may be beneficial for individuals with digestive issues or those needing immediate amino acid availability, such as athletes. 6. Emerging biotechnology in amino acids. Modern science is revolutionizing how we produce and use amino acids. Synthetic biology. Engineered microorganisms are now used to produce essential amino acids like lysine and methionine on an industrial scale. These biotechnologies help reduce costs and environmental impact compared to traditional animal-based sources. Lab-grown proteins. Companies are developing lab-cultured meat and protein isolates that mimic the amino acid profiles of animal proteins, providing sustainable alternatives. Personalized nutrition. Advances in genomics allow us to tailor amino acid intake to an individual's genetic makeup. Example: genetic variations in enzymes like phenylalanine hydroxylase may require customized diets to optimize metabolism. 7. Environmental sustainability. Amino acid production and consumption have significant environmental implications. Plant versus animal proteins. Producing animal protein requires more water, land, and energy than plant protein. For example, 1 kilogram of beef requires approximately 15,400 liters of water. 1 kilogram of soy requires only about 2,000 liters. Alternative protein sources. Algae and spirulina, rich in protein and contain all EAAs. Insects, emerging as a sustainable protein source with a complete amino acid profile. 8. Beyond nutrition, amino acids in medicine. Amino acids are not just dietary components, they also serve as therapeutic agents. Amino acid-based drugs. L-dopa, a derivative of tyrosine, used to treat Parkinson's disease. Cysteine derivatives, NAC, and acetylcysteine, is used to treat acetaminophen overdose and improve respiratory conditions. Parenteral nutrition. In critically ill patients who cannot eat, intravenous solutions provide amino acids to maintain muscle mass and immune function. 9. Experimental research and future directions. The study of amino acids is constantly evolving. Here are some areas of cutting-edge research. Amino acids and microbiota. Gut bacteria produce and metabolize amino acids, influencing their availability to the host. Altering the microbiome through prebiotics or probiotics may enhance amino acid absorption. Synthetic amino acids. Scientists are exploring the use of artificial amino acids to create proteins with novel properties, such as increased stability or enhanced therapeutic effects. Amino acids in space. Space travel imposes unique nutritional challenges. Amino acid supplementation is being studied to prevent muscle atrophy and maintain astronaut health during long missions. Conclusion. This expanded exploration underscores the complexity and versatility of essential amino acids in biology, nutrition, medicine, and sustainability. Whether addressing global challenges like food security or individual health concerns, amino acids are at the forefront of scientific and practical innovation. Let me know if you'd like to dive into any specific area further. Please go into the Eating of Good Safe Foods please for obtaining these 9 essential amino acids, please. ChatGPT. To meet your body's need for the 9 essential amino acids, EAAs, through good, safe food choices, it's essential to focus on high-quality proteins. Below, I provide detailed guidance on food sources, safe preparation methods, and strategies for achieving a balanced diet, tailored for omnivores, vegetarians, and vegans. The 9 essential amino acids. The 9 EAAs and their primary roles in the body are: histidine, essential for histamine production, digestion, immune response, and nervous system health. Isoleucine, aids in muscle repair, immune function, and hemoglobin production. Leucine, triggers muscle protein synthesis and regulates blood sugar levels. Lysine, critical for collagen formation, immune function, and calcium absorption. Methionine, supports metabolism, liver detoxification, and antioxidant defense. Phenylalanine, precursor to neurotransmitters like dopamine and epinephrine. Threonine, helps in collagen, elastin, and enamel production. Tryptophan, necessary for serotonin synthesis, which regulates mood and sleep. Valine, vital for muscle energy and tissue repair. Best food sources for each EAA. Here's a breakdown of foods high in essential amino acids and practical tips for including them in your diet. Animal-based sources, complete proteins. Animal proteins are considered a complete because they provide all 9 EAAs in sufficient amounts. Eggs. Amino acid profile, high in leucine, lysine, and tryptophan. Preparation tips. Boil or poach eggs to retain nutrients while avoiding added fats. Ensure eggs are cooked thoroughly to prevent salmonella risk. Chicken and turkey. Amino acid profile, rich in isoleucine, leucine, and valine. Preparation tips. Opt for skinless cuts to reduce saturated fat. Bake or grill instead of frying to avoid trans fats and calorie overload. Fish, e.g., salmon, tuna, cod. Amino acid profile, excellent source of methionine, lysine, and threonine. Preparation tips. Choose wild-caught fish to avoid harmful additives often found in farmed fish. Avoid excessive high-heat cooking, e.g., frying, which can degrade nutrients. Dairy products, e.g., yogurt, milk, cheese. Amino acid profile, high in threonine, lysine, and tryptophan. Preparation tips. Opt for low-fat or fat-free options for heart health. Check for pasteurization to ensure safety. Lean red meat, e.g., beef, pork, lamb. Amino acid profile, high in histidine, methionine, and valine. Preparation tips. Choose grass-fed options to reduce exposure to antibiotics and hormones. Avoid charring meat on high heat to prevent the formation of harmful compounds like heterocyclic amines, HCAs. Plant-based sources. Many plant-based foods are rich in amino acids, but some may lack one or more EAAs. Combining complementary proteins ensures a complete amino acid profile. Soy products, e.g., tofu, tempeh, edamame. Amino acid profile, complete protein, high in lysine, isoleucine, and valine. Preparation tips. Steam or stir-fry with minimal oil to preserve nutrients. Choose non-GMO soy for added safety. Quinoa. Amino acid profile, complete protein, rich in methionine and threonine. Preparation tips. Rinse quinoa before cooking to remove saponins, which can cause a bitter taste and digestive discomfort. Pair with vegetables for a balanced meal. Buckwheat. Amino acid profile, high in lysine and tryptophan. Preparation tips. Toast before cooking for added flavor. Use as a base for salads or as a porridge. Legumes, e.g., lentils, chickpeas, black beans. Amino acid profile, high in lysine and valine but low in methionine. Preparation tips. Soak overnight to improve digestibility and reduce antinutrients like phytic acid. Combine with grains, e.g., rice, to create a complete protein. Nuts and seeds, e.g., almonds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds. Amino acid profile, rich in methionine and tryptophan but low in lysine. Preparation tips. Avoid roasting at high temperatures, which can oxidize healthy fats. Store in a cool, dark place to prevent rancidity. Whole grains, e.g., brown rice, oats, wheat. Amino acid profile, high in methionine and histidine but low in lysine. Preparation tips. Pair with legumes to complement the amino acid profile. Avoid refined grains, which lack essential nutrients. Combining plant proteins. Plant-based eaters can create complete proteins by combining foods with complementary amino acid profiles. Rice plus beans. Peanut butter plus whole grain bread. Hummus, chickpeas, plus pita bread. Lentil soup plus quinoa. Safe and healthy food preparation. Safety in food preparation is critical to prevent contamination and preserve nutrients. Follow these guidelines. Storage tips. Refrigerate perishable items like meat, fish, and dairy promptly. Store dry goods, e.g., grains, nuts, seeds, in airtight containers to prevent mold or pest infestations. Cooking methods. Steaming. Retains nutrients better than boiling or frying. Ideal for vegetables, fish, and grains. Grilling or baking. Use moderate temperatures to avoid nutrient loss and harmful compound formation. Line grills with foil to minimize direct flame contact. Slow cooking. Great for legumes and tough cuts of meat, which require longer cooking times to soften. Retains amino acid content while enhancing flavors. Avoid microwaving protein foods. High-energy microwaves can degrade amino acids over prolonged exposure. Special considerations. Food allergies. Common allergens like dairy, eggs, or soy might require substitution. Alternatives. Dairy allergy, use fortified plant-based milk, e.g., almond or soy milk. Soy allergy, substitute tofu with chickpea or lentil-based products. Food sensitivities. Some people may struggle with high-fiber legumes. Gradually introduce them to avoid digestive discomfort. Sustainability. Choose local, organic produce when possible to reduce the environmental impact of food production. Sample day of eating for essential amino acids. Here's a balanced meal plan ensuring all EAAs are covered. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with whole grain toast and a chia seed smoothie, threonine, leucine, tryptophan. Lunch, grilled salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli, methionine, lysine, valine. Snack, Greek yogurt with almonds and fresh berries, histidine, leucine, isoleucine. Dinner, lentil and rice pilaf with a side of roasted sweet potatoes, lysine, methionine, valine. Dessert, dark chocolate squares with a glass of soy milk, tryptophan, phenylalanine. Conclusion. By consuming a mix of safe, nutrient-dense animal and plant-based foods, you can easily meet your body's needs for all 9 essential amino acids. Incorporating proper preparation methods and pairing complementary proteins ensures maximum nutrient absorption and bioavailability. Let me know if you'd like personalized recipes or further tips. Please go into greater detail about the right foods to eat and how to prepare them. Thank you. ChatGPT. Certainly. Let's explore in greater detail the foods rich in essential amino acids, EAAs, and how to prepare them for maximum nutrition, safety, and flavor. I'll provide detailed explanations for both animal-based and plant-based foods, preparation techniques, and meal ideas to ensure you're meeting your amino acid requirements. Animal-based foods for EAAs. Animal proteins are complete sources, providing all 9 EAAs in the right ratios. These are excellent options for anyone including animal products in their diet. 1. Eggs. Nutritional benefits rich in leucine, lysine, and tryptophan, eggs are a powerhouse of high-quality protein. Preparation. Boiled. Hard or soft boiling preserves the most nutrients. Boil for 6 to 12 minutes depending on desired firmness. Scrambled. Use a non-stick pan and a small amount of olive oil or butter. Add vegetables like spinach or mushrooms for added nutrients. Poached. Use simmering water with a splash of vinegar for a delicate, healthy option. Safety. Ensure eggs are fully cooked to avoid salmonella risk. Store eggs in the refrigerator and check for cracks before use. 2. Chicken and turkey. Nutritional benefits. High in isoleucine, leucine, and valine, they are lean and versatile sources of protein. Preparation. Grilled or roasted, marinate with herbs like rosemary, thyme, and garlic for flavor. Use moderate heat to prevent nutrient loss. Baked. Season with olive oil and spices like paprika or turmeric. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius until internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit 75 degrees Celsius. Shredded. Boil in low-sodium broth and shred for salads or soups. Safety. Use a meat thermometer to ensure proper cooking. Avoid cross-contamination by using separate utensils and cutting boards for raw and cooked poultry. 3. Fish. Nutritional benefits. Excellent for methionine, lysine, and threonine. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel also provide omega-3 fatty acids. Preparation. Steamed or grilled. Wrap fish in foil with lemon slices, garlic, and dill. Grill over medium heat or steam gently to retain omega-3s. Pan-seared. Use a small amount of avocado or olive oil. Add a crust of sesame seeds or crushed almonds for texture. Soups and stews. Use cod or haddock in a low-sodium broth with vegetables like carrots and celery. Safety. Choose wild-caught fish to reduce exposure to heavy metals. Avoid high-mercury species like swordfish or king mackerel. 4. Dairy products. Nutritional benefits. Rich in threonine, lysine, and tryptophan. Options like yogurt and cheese are convenient and nutrient-dense. Preparation. Greek yogurt. Top with fresh fruits, chia seeds, or honey for a protein-packed snack. Milk. Use low-fat or lactose-free milk in smoothies or cereals. Cheese. Choose hard cheeses like Parmesan or aged cheddar for a concentrated protein source. Safety. Always check expiration dates and refrigerate dairy promptly. Avoid unpasteurized dairy unless the source is trusted. 5. Lean red meat. Nutritional benefits. High in histidine, methionine, and valine, red meat is also rich in iron and zinc. Preparation. Grilling or broiling. Marinate in olive oil and balsamic vinegar to tenderize. Cook at medium heat to avoid charring. Slow cooking. Use cuts like brisket or chuck roast in a slow cooker with vegetables for tender and flavorful meals. Ground meat. Make lean beef patties or use in chili with beans for a complete protein dish. Safety. Avoid overcooking to prevent carcinogen formation. Trim visible fat to reduce saturated fat intake. Plant-based foods for EAAs. Plant proteins can provide all 9 EAAs when combined correctly. Below are the best options and preparation techniques. 1. Soy products, e.g., tofu, tempeh, edamame. Nutritional benefits. Complete proteins high in lysine, leucine, and isoleucine. Preparation. Tofu. Press tofu to remove excess water. Marinate in soy sauce, ginger, and sesame oil, then bake or pan fry. Tempeh. Steam to soften, then stir fry with vegetables and spices. Edamame. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Sprinkle with sea salt for a quick snack. Safety. Opt for organic, non-GMO soy products. Avoid overconsumption if you have thyroid issues, as soy contains goitrogens. 2. Legumes. e.g., lentils, chickpeas, black beans. Nutritional benefits: high in lysine and valine but low in methionine, so pair with grains. Preparation: lentils, simmer with garlic, turmeric, and cumin for a hearty stew. Chickpeas, roast with olive oil and paprika for a crunchy snack or blend into hummus. Black beans, use in tacos, rice bowls, or salads. Safety: soak beans overnight to reduce antinutrients like phytic acid and improve digestibility. 3. Whole grains, e.g., quinoa, brown rice, buckwheat. Nutritional benefits: rich in methionine and histidine but low in lysine. Preparation: quinoa, rinse thoroughly, then simmer in water or broth for 15 minutes. Use as a base for salads or stir-fries. Brown rice, cook with spices like turmeric and bay leaves for added flavor. Buckwheat, use in pancakes, porridge, or grain bowls. Safety: store in airtight containers to prevent pests. Cook thoroughly to neutralize any residual antinutrients. 4. Nuts and seeds, e.g., almonds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds. Nutritional benefits: high in methionine and tryptophan but low in lysine. Preparation: chia seeds, soak in almond milk to make kheer pudding or add to smoothies. Pumpkin seeds, roast with a pinch of salt for a crunchy snack. Almonds, use as a topping for yogurt, salads, or oatmeal. Safety: avoid salted or flavored varieties with added oils. Store in cool, dark places to prevent rancidity. 5. Vegetables, e.g., spinach, broccoli, peas. Nutritional benefits: while not complete proteins, they complement grains and legumes. Preparation: spinach, sauté lightly with garlic and olive oil. Broccoli, steam to retain nutrients or roast for a caramelized flavor. Peas, use in soups, stir-fries, or as a side dish. Safety: wash thoroughly to remove pesticides or contaminants. Balancing amino acids, sample meal ideas. To ensure all EAAs are covered, pair complementary proteins or use complete protein sources. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast. Tofu scramble with vegetables and quinoa. Lunch: grilled chicken salad with a variety of vegetables and a side of lentil soup. Black bean and rice bowl topped with avocado and salsa. Dinner: baked salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Stir-fried tempeh with buckwheat noodles and mixed vegetables. Snacks: Greek yogurt with chia seeds and berries. Hummus with whole grain crackers or sliced cucumbers. Conclusion: eating a variety of high-quality animal and plant-based proteins ensures you meet your EAA requirements. Focus on safe preparation methods like steaming, baking, and grilling to retain nutrients while minimizing harmful substances. Combining plant-based proteins like legumes and grains creates complete amino acid profiles, making it easy for vegetarians and vegans to thrive. Let me know if you'd like more recipes or tailored suggestions. Please tell me about many recipes for these healthy foods, please. ChatGPT. Here's a comprehensive collection of healthy recipes incorporating the best foods for essential amino acids, EAAs. These recipes cover a range of meals, from breakfast to dinner, and cater to different dietary preferences: omnivorous, vegetarian, and vegan. Each recipe is designed to deliver a balance of all 9 essential amino acids. Breakfast recipes. 1. High-protein veggie omelette. Omnivorous. Ingredients: 3 large eggs, half a cup chopped spinach, a quarter cup diced tomatoes, a quarter cup diced bell peppers, 1/4 cup shredded cheese, optional. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Preparation. Whisk eggs in a bowl. Heat olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add vegetables and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour eggs over the veggies and cook until set. Sprinkle cheese, if using, and fold the omelette in half. Nutrition. Complete protein source with leucine, lysine, and tryptophan. 2. Chia seed pudding, vegan. Ingredients. 3 tablespoons chia seeds. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon maple syrup or honey. 1/4 cup fresh berries. 1 tablespoon chopped almonds. Preparation. Mix chia seeds, almond milk, and sweetener in a jar or bowl. Cover and refrigerate overnight. Top with berries and almonds before serving. Nutrition rich in methionine, tryptophan, and antioxidants. 3. Quinoa breakfast bowl, vegetarian. Ingredients. 1/2 cup cooked quinoa. 1/4 cup Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1/4 cup mixed berries. 1 tablespoon honey or agave syrup. Preparation. Combine cooked quinoa with Greek yogurt. Top with chia seeds, berries, and honey. Nutrition. A complete protein meal high in lysine, leucine, and threonine. Lunch recipes. 4. Grilled chicken salad, omnivorous. Ingredients. 1 grilled chicken breast. 2 cups mixed greens, spinach, arugula, lettuce. 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes. 1/4 cup cucumber slices. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar. Preparation. Slice grilled chicken breast. Toss greens, tomatoes, and cucumbers in olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Top with grilled chicken. Nutrition. Complete protein with a focus on leucine, isoleucine, and valine. 5. Lentil and rice bowl, vegan. Ingredients. 1/2 cup cooked lentils. 1/2 cup cooked brown rice. 1/4 cup steamed broccoli. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Preparation. Combine lentils, rice, and broccoli in a bowl. Drizzle with soy sauce and sesame oil before serving. Nutrition. Complements lysine-rich lentils with methionine-rich rice. 6. Mediterranean chickpea salad, vegetarian. Ingredients. 1 cup cooked chickpeas. 1/4 cup diced cucumber. 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes. 1 tablespoon chopped parsley. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Preparation. Mix all ingredients in a large bowl. Chill for 30 minutes before serving. Nutrition high in lysine and threonine, pair with whole grain pitta for a complete protein. Dinner recipes. 7. Baked salmon with quinoa and veggies, omnivorous. Ingredients. 1 salmon fillet. 1/2 cup cooked quinoa. 1 cup roasted broccoli and carrots. 1 teaspoon olive oil. 1/2 lemon. Preparation. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Place salmon on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, and squeeze lemon juice on top. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Serve salmon over quinoa with roasted veggies. Nutrition. Complete protein source with lysine, methionine, and threonine. 8. Tempeh stir-fry, vegan. Ingredients: 1 cup diced tempeh, 2 cups mixed vegetables, e.g., bell peppers, snap peas, carrots, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 cup cooked brown rice. Preparation: heat sesame oil in a pan and sauté tempeh until golden brown. Add vegetables and stir-fry for 5 minutes. Mix in soy sauce and serve over brown rice. Nutrition: complete protein with isoleucine, lysine, and methionine. 9. Tofu curry with coconut milk, vegetarian or vegan. Ingredients: 1 block firm tofu, cubed. 1 cup coconut milk. 1 tablespoon curry paste. 1 cup diced sweet potatoes. 1/4 cup chopped spinach. Preparation: sauté tofu until golden brown. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, add curry paste and coconut milk. Simmer. Add sweet potatoes and cook until tender. Stir in spinach and tofu. Serve with brown rice or quinoa. Nutrition: rich in lysine, leucine, and methionine. Snack recipes: 10. Protein-packed hummus, vegan. Ingredients: 1 cup chickpeas, 2 tablespoons tahini, 1 clove garlic, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Preparation: blend all ingredients in a food processor until smooth. Serve with raw veggies or whole grain crackers. Nutrition: high in lysine and complements whole grains for a complete protein. 11. Greek yogurt parfait, vegetarian. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup granola, 1/4 cup fresh berries, 1 tablespoon honey. Preparation: layer yogurt, granola, and berries in a glass. Drizzle with honey before serving. Nutrition: complete protein with threonine, leucine, and tryptophan. 12. Almond energy bites, vegan. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 1/4 cup almond butter, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1/4 cup shredded coconut. Preparation: mix all ingredients in a bowl. Roll into bite-sized balls and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Nutrition: high in methionine, tryptophan, and healthy fats. Conclusion: these recipes are rich in essential amino acids and crafted to be both healthy and delicious. By mixing and matching these options, you can create a variety of meals that cater to your dietary preferences and nutritional needs. Let me know if you'd like more specific recipes or meal plans. Please show me many more recipes, please. ChatGPT. Here is an expanded collection of recipes organized into categories for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and drinks. Each recipe is designed to include foods rich in essential amino acids and focus on healthy preparation methods. Breakfast recipes. 1. Sweet potato and egg hash, omnivorous. Ingredients: 1 medium sweet potato, cubed, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup diced onions, 1/4 cup diced bell peppers, 1 teaspoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: heat olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add sweet potatoes, onions, and bell peppers. Cook until tender, 8 to 10 minutes. Crack eggs over the veggies and cook until whites are set. Nutrition: complete protein with leucine, isoleucine, and threonine. 2. Savory quinoa porridge, vegan. Ingredients: half a cup cooked quinoa, a quarter cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon chopped green onions. Preparation: heat almond milk in a saucepan. Stir in quinoa, nutritional yeast, and soy sauce. Cook until warm. Garnish with green onions. Nutrition: complete protein meal with lysine and methionine. 3. Cottage cheese and fruit bowl, vegetarian. Ingredients: 1 cup low-fat cottage cheese, a quarter cup diced pineapple, a quarter cup sliced strawberries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Preparation: combine all ingredients in a bowl. Chill for a few minutes before serving. Nutrition: rich in threonine, lysine, and leucine. 4. Tofu breakfast scramble, vegan. Ingredients: 1 block firm tofu, crumbled, a quarter cup diced tomatoes, a quarter cup chopped spinach, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Preparation: heat olive oil in a skillet. Add tofu and turmeric. Stir in tomatoes and spinach. Cook for 5 minutes. Nutrition: complete plant-based protein rich in lysine and isoleucine. Lunch recipes. 5. Turkey avocado wraps, omnivorous. Ingredients: 1 whole grain tortilla, 2 slices turkey breast, 1/4 avocado, sliced, a quarter cup shredded lettuce, 1 tablespoon hummus. Preparation: spread hummus on the tortilla. Layer turkey, avocado, and lettuce. Roll tightly and slice in half. Nutrition: high in methionine, leucine, and lysine. 6. Spinach and chickpea curry, vegan. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked chickpeas, 2 cups fresh spinach, 1 cup coconut milk, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Preparation: heat oil in a pan. Add curry powder and stir until fragrant. Add spinach, chickpeas, and coconut milk. Simmer for 10 minutes. Nutrition: complements lysine-rich chickpeas with methionine-rich coconut milk. 7. Tuna stuffed bell peppers, omnivorous. Ingredients: 1 large bell pepper, halved and seeded. 1 can tuna, in water, drained. 1 tablespoon plain Greek yogurt. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Preparation: mix tuna, yogurt, and mustard. Fill bell pepper halves with the mixture. Serve fresh or bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Nutrition: complete protein with lysine and methionine. Dinner recipes. 8. Shrimp stir-fry with vegetables, omnivorous. Ingredients: 1 cup shrimp, peeled and deveined. 1 cup mixed vegetables, e.g., broccoli, carrots, snap peas. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Half a cup cooked brown rice. Preparation: heat sesame oil in a pan. Add shrimp and cook until pink. Stir in vegetables and soy sauce. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Serve over brown rice. Nutrition: high in lysine, threonine, and valine. 9. Black bean and sweet potato chili, vegan. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked black beans, 1 cup diced sweet potatoes, 1 cup diced tomatoes, canned or fresh, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 cup diced onions. Preparation: sauté onions in olive oil until translucent. Add sweet potatoes, tomatoes, and chili powder. Simmer for 15 minutes. Stir in black beans and cook for 5 more minutes. Nutrition: complements lysine-rich beans with methionine from sweet potatoes. 10. Tempeh and broccoli stir-fry, vegan. Ingredients: 1 cup tempeh, cubed, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Preparation: sauté tempeh in sesame oil until golden brown. Add broccoli and soy sauce. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Nutrition: complete protein with leucine and methionine. Snack recipes. 11. Nut butter energy bars, vegan. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 1/4 cup almond butter, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 1/4 cup almond butter, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, 1/4 cup chopped nuts. Preparation: mix all ingredients in a bowl. Press mixture into a baking dish and refrigerate for 1 hour. Slice into bars. Nutrition: high in methionine and tryptophan. 12. Edamame with sea salt, vegan. Ingredients: 1 cup edamame, in pods, ½ teaspoon sea salt. Preparation: boil edamame for 3 to 5 minutes. Drain and sprinkle with sea salt. Nutrition: complete protein source with lysine and leucine. Drink recipes. 13. Protein-packed smoothie, vegetarian. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, ½ cup frozen berries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, ½ cup almond milk. Preparation: blend all ingredients until smooth. Nutrition: high in lysine, leucine, and threonine. 14. Green protein smoothie, vegan. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1/2 banana, ½ cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon almond butter. Preparation: blend all ingredients until smooth. Nutrition: complete protein with lysine and methionine. This selection provides a wide range of meal and snack ideas to help you incorporate foods rich in essential amino acids into your daily routine. Let me know if you'd like more ideas or additional customization. Please help me make a disclaimer to turn this conversation into a mini audiobook for YouTube, please. ChatGPT. Here's a disclaimer you can use at the beginning of your mini audiobook for YouTube. It clarifies that the content is informational and not a substitute for professional advice, aligning with ethical and legal standards. Disclaimer. Welcome to this mini audiobook, where we explore the fascinating world of essential amino acids, nutrition, and healthy living. Please note that the information shared in this audiobook is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as medical advice, and it should not be used to diagnose, treat, or cure any health conditions. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional, nutritionist, or dietitian for personalized guidance tailored to your specific needs and circumstances. The content provided here is based on general research and knowledge available at the time of publication. While we strive for accuracy, individual dietary requirements may vary, and certain foods or recipes mentioned may not suit everyone. Viewer and listener discretion is advised. Thank you for joining us, and let's dive into the topic. This disclaimer sets a professional tone and protects against potential liability. Let me know if you'd like to adjust it. ChatGPT can make mistakes. Check important info.